We got a 69 Buick Grand Sport, and it's got the snorkel air cleaner. You can see right there. GS 400. Yeah.
These came standard.
Yeah.
It's not the stage 1.
No.
They had a stage 1 too. They 10 more horse, different can. But this is quick enough, believe me.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. It's Grand Sport, man. Buick Grand Sport. Red line tires.
That was the thing then.
Yeah.
Vinyl roof. Everybody had wanted the vinyl roof.
Yeah, vinyl roof.
You were even born.
Huh?
You weren't even born yet.
No, I was born in Wales 12 years before this.
How old are you?
63.
You don't look it.
I know.
Horseshoe shifter.
It's called vitamins.
Good for you.
Lots of vitamins.
Basket.
Yeah. You told me. You're telling me I don't even look. No. I look way younger than that, huh?
I think that come with
Other people told me that.
342 gears. Or then they went
I tell people like I take a lot of vitamins. I don't really look that old. I don't get wrinkles and shit. And I was like,
yeah,
you got no bald or nothing. Hardly any gray. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? I used to drive. This is the bumper that was the one that you really couldn't straighten out if you got whacked with this thing, man. I love the way this looked, but I was like, just one little whack, and you're like, you know, I always see these kind of messed up. I never see them like this good, you know?
I had a 68 Buick, a much and a 74.
Yeah.
They had problems with those cars too.
Yeah.
They're the bigger model. They had both have 430 cubes.
You know what? I've always come to. It's like you don't want to go too cheap, but sometimes the stuff that most people buy, that's the thing you want because then you get the parts for it a lot easier. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice car, man. Buick GS. Power brakes, power disc brakes. Got it right there on the pedal too. So this was like a hopped up luxury car basically, you know? That's really what they were. That's a cool thing, the innovation with the snorkels like that. Power brakes, air conditioning, you know, power steering. Of course running the alternator. What else do you need? Really, this car's got, you know, power door locks. What do you need that crap for? You know what I mean? God. Buick GS, man, perfect car for today.